Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. When I take my boys swimming, goggles are an absolute must. I found this 2-pack from ALLPAIPAI, and these are phenomenal. The price point is really competitive, and they don't skimp on quality at all. One of the features I really love is there's a clasp in the back, which makes easy off and on. My 6-year-old still needs assistance, so as many times as he was taking these off and on, it was a breeze. The seal around the eye is fantastic. I would watch them as they come in and out of the water, and they didn't have to stop and lift their goggles up to get any water that had escaped in there. They were able to swim seamlessly. These also will fit a wide variety of ages. So my boys are 10 and 6, and my 10-year-old is big for his age, while my 6-year-old is small for his age. But these fit both of them perfectly. They love the gradient lenses and the fun colors. All in all, you can't go wrong. The value's fantastic. I'm so impressed with the quality. Get your little swimmers some goggles that they can wear all season long. And that's my point of view.